In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M132fw series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP M132fw support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M132fw software and driver support. Go ahead and open that up. And then it should take you to an HP support page here. Scrolling down, you want to go underneath the driver product installation software and select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M130fw/M132fw full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, you want to go ahead and open up to run that file. And you can minimize or close out of the web browser as well at this time. And should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Go ahead and select yes. And then you want to pursue with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device. It's a pretty straightforward process. It's pretty intuitive depending on the type of connection type you want, whether it's a wireless or Wi-Fi based connection, for example. If you want to install additional optional software, you can do that as well. And that's pretty much it. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.